Okay, today I'm just going to do a few example problems for you to review solving equations when we're distributing and when there are variables on both sides. So, and then we'll do some more of these practice problems tomorrow and I'll answer some questions. But hopefully this will be enough to help you start your station. So the first thing for number one that I need to do is, first of all, what variable am I trying to solve for? I want to know what is y. What number that I can plug in for y makes this equation true. So in order to do that, I am going to first distribute the 6. Okay, and when I do that, I get 6y plus 12, because 6 times y is 6y, and 6 times 2 is 12. Minus 4 equals negative 10. Okay, then I see I have some like terms right here. So 6y plus 8 equals negative 10. Okay, now if I want y by itself, I need to subtract the 8. So I have 6y equals negative 18, and then divide by 6, so y equals negative 3. Now the way I would check this is I would put this in the calculator. 6 times negative 3 plus 2 minus 4. And then when I put that in the calculator, I should get negative 10. And I do get negative 10, so that I know this is correct. The answer is y equals negative 3. Okay, let's look at this next one. Now I need to distribute 2 times. So first I'm going to distribute the 2. So 2x minus 6 plus 5. Then I'm going to distribute the 3. 3x minus 3. Okay, I have some like terms right here, so I'm going to combine them. 2x minus 1 equals 3x minus 3. Okay, now I need to put the x's together and the numbers together. So I'm going to subtract 2x. That gets rid of the 2x. Then I'm going to add the 3. That gets rid of the 3. So then I have 2 equals x. Okay, so once again I could plug 2 into both sides of the equation and see if it matches and see if that works. Now this is all from Algebra 1, so this should be bringing back to you some Algebra 1. Okay, let's look at number 3. What do I need to distribute? Right, 5. Okay, so 6 equals 3 plus 5y minus 10. Now, before I can move any numbers over, I need to combine like terms. 3 and negative 10 are a like term. So 6 equals negative 7 plus 5y, because a positive 3 and a negative 10 makes negative 7. Okay, now I'm going to add the 7 to both sides. So 13 equals 5y, divides both sides by 5. Y equals 13 fifths. So you're perfectly okay for your fraction, for your answer to be a fraction. Okay, so now let's look at this next one. Once again, I'm going to distribute twice. First is negative 8. So negative 32 minus 72x. Then I'm going to distribute a 7. Negative 14 minus 77x. Okay, now I need to get all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other side. Doesn't really matter how you do this. So I'm going to add 32 and add 32. That gets rid of this. Then I can't move the 72 over because then I would have nothing left on the left. So I'm going to go over here to the right and add 77 and add 77x. So that makes the 77x's go away on that side. Now I'm left with 5x equals, it's negative 14 plus 32, which is 18. So I'll divide both sides by 5 and get x equals 18 fifths. Okay, I'm going to plug that in my calculator to see if it's correct. Okay, and in fact, I plugged it into my calculator and I got the same weird fraction or decimal on both sides, which means it is correct. Okay, so this should be a very quick review on distributing and when we have variables on both sides, what the goal is. Okay, remember we're finding a number we can replace with the variable to make the equation true. Now, everyone has stations. Okay, there is a puzzle station with worksheet puzzles. There is a test prep station. There is a game station. And then there are the computers. Okay, so the game has some little cards that you can figure out and you do the colored cards. The puzzle is a couple of worksheets. Test prep is a couple of worksheets. Computers, remember you need to be on khanacademy.org. And that's it, nothing else. khanacademy.org. Okay, the teacher is now going to hand out your worksheets and it tells you what station to be at. So you need to go to the station that you're told and then tomorrow we'll rotate. I hope y'all have a great day and I should see y'all tomorrow.